We're intentionally planting two different crops together and hoping to harvest both of them. What we're trying to do is find two crops that are going to use nutrients at a little different ratio and use water hopefully at a little different time and try to maximize your net productivity per acre. So you should be able to grow more with two crops than you could with either crop on its own. In these northern climates, again, there's actually a couple of intercropping combinations that work out pretty well. I'd say the one that holds the most promise is chickpea flax. There's also a lot of people that look at field pea oats or field pea canola. Those are all crops that pair together fairly well. When you combine two crops together, it doesn't come without risk. You're not going to have as many options for herbicides or fungicides, but we're hoping that you don't need as many fertilizers and herbicides and fungicides. And we have some evidence that that might be the case. One of the reasons why chickpea and flax has a lot of legs under it is because there's been pretty good region-wide data being generated that says you can at least reduce the amount of ascochyta blight on your chickpeas when you combine it with your flax. When you put your field peas and your canola together, not only are we looking at reducing our input cost, but one of the main benefits is the canola will help to act like a bit of a trellis. So today's field pea varieties stand very nice compared to what they used to, but towards harvest they can still fall down. Well, what the canola does in that mixture is it helps to hold the field peas up a little bit, especially right before harvest. And so that helps so you can harvest faster and harvest with your header off the ground quite a lot more and avoid a lot of the hassles of dirt and rocks that can also be getting into that sample. Bottom line is, if you're doing intercropping and your neighbor is doing intercropping, it's probably going to look a lot different. Start on a small scale, see if it works, see if you like it, and then maybe scale up and go from there. And that's Intercropping 101.